Over the past 90 days, my dropshipping business has brought in over $50,000 in sales. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything behind the scenes of the business. The craziest part is that over 50% of the revenue was actual profit. So this is a completely untapped dropshipping method. The product average sale price was $800 to $900, and I was buying this product for $400 to $500. So I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can learn how to start this business for yourself. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss it. This method has never been talked about on YouTube before, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Before we get started, I want to quickly mention that I'm actually giving away a MacBook. It's not this MacBook, it's about 1 year older actually. The one I'm giving away has an M1 chip, space gray. It looks pretty similar, but if you want to join the giveaway, all you have to do is go to the first link below, sign up for buildyourstore.ai/grant. It's a software that will set up a Shopify free trial for you, and you will get a free custom built Shopify store by AI. So even if you already have a Shopify store, it's completely free to sign up, so why not? It's a free entry to win a MacBook. I get rewarded and you get a free store, free built by AI, and it only takes a couple minutes. So make sure to check out the first link in the description. That's buildyourstore.ai, and you could potentially win this MacBook. I don't have that many subscribers, so you've got a pretty good chance of winning. So if you want to join, I'm pretty sure right now there's maybe 20 or 30 entries. So go down below. You'll automatically be entered for the giveaway when you sign up for Build Your Store, and let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to show you is the results. As you can see, it's on the last 365 days, but basically I started in March and now it's July, so that's like, I don't know, 3 months just about. $15,000 on Shopify, $28,000 on eBay. Well, I guess that includes January too, but whatever. And then I did about $15,000 in cash transactions, like in person, so that's where the $50,000 came from. Like I said, it was over 50% profit, and you guys can see like $831 average order value. Like, this is a super expensive product. So let's get right into it. How I went from zero to $50,000 in 90 days with my high ticket dropshipping store. The first craziest thing is that I actually got the idea from a product I saw on AutoDS. If you guys aren't familiar with AutoDS, it's a product research software, and well, it's not just for product research. They have so many different features here, but my favorite feature of AutoDS is the product research. As you guys can see, there's just a bunch of different dropshipping products, cleaning stuff, cat stuff, you know, Whirlpool buckets. So this is actually a pretty good product. I was actually scrolling through the TikTok ad spy and I saw this product pop up, and I was like, wow, that's pretty interesting. I wonder if I could sell that on other places other than TikTok. And so that's exactly what I did. I saw the product on here and I'm glad I did. If I didn't have AutoDS, I wouldn't have even started this business. But if you guys are interested in using AutoDS, they've got a ton of features. I'm sure you guys are familiar. It's the all-in-one dropshipping software. You can find a product on the ad spy, and then you can literally import the product directly to your store, copy and paste the product description, and then as soon as you get an order, they automatically fulfill it because you imported the product with AutoDS. I don't see how dropshipping can get any easier than that, but if you guys are interested, sign up for AutoDS with the link in the description. It'll be the second link down there. Make sure to sign up. It supports the channel, so I would really appreciate that. So after I found the product, I placed my first order for 10 units, and that cost me $4,000. So this was a pretty big risk for me. I didn't even know if it was going to come in. I thought hopefully they don't lose it in the transit. But yeah, my first order was 10 units. It cost me $4 grand, and that's just, sometimes you gotta take a risk like that to dive in. Next, I set up a Shopify store. It's a Sense theme. I made my logo on Canva, black and white, no reviews, no social proof. I took pictures of the product in my garage and I uploaded it to my Shopify store. And then I also had a few more products that were kind of similar around my house, so they were kind of in the same niche. And so I took pictures of those products too and put them up on my website as well. So it kind of made it seem like a niche branded store, sort of like reseller kind of thing. So that was what my website was. Super simple. It wasn't trying to be professional at all. It was just a place where people could come and buy the product from me on the website. And after that, I set up my listings on Facebook Marketplace to get the customers. So that's how I got my traffic. It was completely free traffic, so that's why my profit was over 50%, because I didn't have to pay for any traffic. All my traffic is organic, and to date, I think my Facebook Marketplace listings have brought in like 40,000 impressions or something like that. So my Facebook Marketplace listings have just been getting tons of views. And so after that, I decided to set up an eBay store. That's right here. 28,000 I've generated on eBay so far, and eBay's pretty good. The problem is they have a lot of fees, 10% fees, which really sucks. So I was pretty much just trying to funnel the people from Facebook Marketplace onto my Shopify store, and then eBay was just a secondary place because people shop for this product on eBay sometimes. So I got a bunch of sales through eBay. Next, I started funneling people from my Facebook listing to my Shopify listings. So like I said, if someone was interested on Facebook but they were pretty far away, I would say, hey, I can ship this to you, just buy it through my Shopify website. And and then I would send them the website. They say, okay. And then they buy it through the website. It feels safe and professional. And then I ship them the product. And then it was pretty simple. It worked really well. I also got a few people who wanted to meet up and get the product. You know, they wanted to meet in person. So then I just took cash from them, took cash, Venmo, whatever. I sold my first 10 units really quick. I'm pretty sure I sold them in like less than 2 weeks for sure. I sold my first 10 units. So I was only selling them for $700 each. So I turned $4,000 into $7,500 in 2 weeks. And so that was pretty cool. And then I just put all the money straight back in. I bought 30 units of the product this time. Same price. The supplier gave me like a $25 discount price. So I paid $375 per unit, and I bought 30 units this time. And I just posted my listings everywhere again, and I just started selling like crazy. I remember one day I sold 3 or 4 products that day. It was like 4K in sales, and it was like 2K in profit. And I just remember thinking, dang, this is crazy. Making thousands a day, it was crazy. So I sold the rest of those. I think this one took me about a month. So around this time, it's probably about like March or April when I sold all of these. I bought 20 more units. My supplier had some delays. It was like Chinese New Year or something. So they had some delays. And then I got 20 more units, sold them really quickly. It took about 2 weeks since I already knew what I was doing at this point. So to date, I've sold over 60 units of the product. Honestly, I would say the average price is probably $750 per set because eBay takes a lot of fees. So 60 times 70, 50 is about $45,000. And I have another 40 units in transit from China right now. So I'm super excited for what's to come. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much all the details about this business. I want to let you guys know that I'm opening up 3 spots for one-on-one mentorship. I've never done any sort of mentorship before. I've never been in a position where I felt comfortable teaching anyone about e-commerce, but this business is so easy. It's so repeatable, and it's so simple that I'm absolutely confident that I can make 3 of my students $10,000 profit in the first 3 months. If you don't reach $10,000 in profit in the first 3 months, I'll give you a full refund. That's what I'm telling you. That's my guarantee. $10,000 or I'll refund your money. Okay.